We have discussed the risk assessment, what is the risk assessment and how the risk assessment has looked like. So here, for example, if you're open the risk assessment template, so in the first portion you need to write here the project name in which project you are working. The second thing is here the contract number, permit number, and reference number. So these four things is very important for the risk assessment. The second thing is here we are specified the like the minor injuries, major, and likelihood. We are explained in the different parts. So that different parts have uh, divided on several unlikely, rarely possible, and other thing. So here we also write the risk rating, like what type of risk. For example, if 1 to 5 or 6, it means a lower risk or minor risk. If it is, for example, from 6 to 10, it is moderate risk. And if it is, for example, from 16 to 25, it is extremely risk. So here we need to write the team names in the area. For example, in the workplace, some of the people is working, so we need to write the names like EHS officer, foremen, site engineers, and other. And here we need to write the designation and take a signature here. So the task and activities, like what type of activities is going on the workplace. So manual excavation. Here I write a manual excavation, and here again we are write the description. For example, if it is like extreme or high risk, so the stop operation and review control eliminated a risk and implemented with high priority action plan. So we are explain each and every uh, like classifications here. Here the hazard identification in the risk assessment. A four five thing is very important. First is the hazard identification, control, risk assessment, and risk reduction action plan. So here the activity is obtain a permit to work. So, for example, in the work site, there is no work permit, and as it has unauthorized work be performed with a defined location and boundary, uncontrolled personal entry and restricted location, and unidentified hazards and plans, a safety migrated. Risk issue, accident, injuries or death to the worker, significant property or current damage, and existing control here. For example, what type of existing control you need to write. So the permit work shall be obtained as a prerequisite to perform a work, and like a work should not be started until uh, approved permit to work is available on the site or toolbox meeting was conducted. So here again we are right the consequences, likelihood, and the risk rating. So how you can give the risk rating? Here we already explained in the description. So improvement in existing control is the most important. Site manager, supervisor, engineer, and foreman a designated permit to receive the competent even to take a responsibility and secure the permit. So these are the very important thing to take on that. So and the risk assessment, these things are very important. Like to what is the you must know what is the activity is going on the workplace. The second thing is the hazards, and the third thing is the risk issue and possibility of incident. The fourth thing is existing control, Here you can also put consequences, likelihood, and risk range. And and most important thing, what is the recommendation and what are the concerned department to take control in implementing the corrective measurement. In the last portion here, the control implementation. So the control implementation means has this risk or this observation is closed. So if it is closed, you can write yes. If it is not closed, you can write no. So there is like several parts for risk assessment.